Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Tide Pods is probably one of the most convenient and effective laundry solutions on the market, simplifying your wash routine with pre-measured doses of powerful cleaning agents that tackle tough stains and leave your clothes smelling fresh and looking vibrant, making laundry day less of a chore and more of a breeze. Number 5. Tide Pods Original Scent Laundry Detergent Packs. Introducing Tide Pods, the ultimate laundry solution. Experience a powerful 3-in-1 formula that tackles tough stains and eliminates odors. Our innovative packs offer 3 key benefits in one convenient pod. They work to remove stains, fight odors, and protect your clothes' vibrant colors. Enjoy the classic, refreshing original scent with every wash. It leaves your laundry smelling as clean as it looks. This value pack contains 42 laundry packs, ensuring you have enough for numerous loads. It's a simple and effective way to keep your wardrobe fresh. Designed for high-efficiency washing machines, these packs work perfectly in compatible models. Get a superior clean without compromising your machine. Simply toss one pod into your washing machine for a complete clean. It's the easiest way to achieve brilliant results every time. What we like? This is the original powerhouse for your laundry needs. It tackles stains, fights odors, and protects colors all in one convenient pack. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around detergent that simplifies your laundry routine, this is the one for you. What people say. Convenient laundry pods that clean well, dissolve properly in my washer, and leave clothes smelling fresh without extra measuring. They do a great job on everyday stains and odors. Towels, workout clothes, and regular laundry all come out clean. Just toss a pod into the drum and add clothes. No pouring detergent or worrying about using too much. Number 4. Tide Pods with Downy, April Fresh, 61 count. Introducing Tide Pods with Downy. It cleans and conditions your clothes in just one step, helping to protect them from stretching and fading. Enjoy the signature April Fresh scent that leaves your laundry outstandingly fresh. It's the perfect way to keep your clothes smelling great. Each pack is a 4-in-1 solution, combining detergent, stain remover, brightener, and Downy fabric protect technology for a complete clean. Our new special film dissolves even better in both hot and cold water. This ensures a thorough clean no matter the temperature. Formulated with quick-collapsing smart suds, it targets tough stains effectively. It works perfectly in both HE and standard washing machines. Using them is simple. Use 1 pack for small to medium loads, 2 for large loads, and 3 for extra large loads. What we like? Experience the ultimate in fabric care and freshness. It not only cleans but also conditions your clothes, protecting them from stretching and fading. If you desire clothes that feel soft, look vibrant, and smell amazing with the classic April Fresh scent, this is your ideal choice. What people say. The convenience of these Tide Pods is simply unrivaled. Just toss one in, and let the enchantment begin. No measuring, no mess, just pure laundry bliss. The pods dissolve effortlessly, releasing their extraordinary cleaning powers that obliterate stains and leave your garments looking as good as new. The infusion of Downy fabric softener takes your laundry game to the next level. Say goodbye to rough fabrics and hello to a realm of luxurious softness. Number 3. Tide Washing Machine Cleaner with Oxy. Is your washing machine not performing its best? Over time, residue and odors can build up, affecting your laundry's freshness. It's time for a deep clean. Our powerful formula with Oxy penetrates deep into your machine. It effectively breaks down and eliminates stubborn residue and unpleasant odors. Whether you have a front loader or a top loader, this cleaner is designed for you. It works efficiently to refresh your entire machine. Enjoy a 10-month supply of cleaning power with each purchase. Plus, a handy calendar is included to help you remember when to clean next. Say goodbye to lingering smells and hello to truly clean clothes. This cleaner eliminates odors at their source, leaving your washer smelling fresh. Using it is simple. Just add the recommended amount to your washing machine and run a cycle. It's an easy way to maintain your appliance. What we like? Keep your washing machine in top condition with this specialized cleaner. It deeply cleans residue and eliminates odors, ensuring your laundry comes out truly fresh. If you're concerned about lingering smells or buildup in your washer, This product offers a long-lasting solution for a cleaner machine. What people say. It's easy to use and doesn't require any specific washing mode. Normal mode is enough. And the cleaner really will remove the odor that's so annoying. Specially formulated to eliminate odors, residues, and grime, this cleaner restores your machine to its optimal condition, ensuring your laundry comes out fresh and clean every time. The powder is very easy to use and has a lovely scent, leaving my washing machine looking great after it cleans on sterilized setting. The powder itself is white and looks pretty effective at getting rid of even the nastiest of smells. Number 2. Tide Pods Original Scent Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Pods, the ultimate solution for your laundry needs. Experience a powerful clean that tackles tough stains with ease. Our high-efficiency formula is designed to work perfectly with your washing machine. It delivers exceptional results while being gentle on your clothes. Enjoy the timeless and refreshing original scent with every wash. It leaves your laundry smelling fresh and clean, just the way you like it. These convenient pods make laundry day simpler than ever. Just toss one in and let it do the work for you. Get more value with this generous 96-count pack. It's enough to keep your laundry fresh and clean for a long time. Make the smart choice for your laundry. Tide Pods offer a superior clean, a delightful scent, and unmatched convenience. What we like? Stock up and save with this value-packed option. It provides the powerful cleaning you expect in a convenient pack format, perfect for busy households. If you do a lot of laundry and want a dependable, high-capacity detergent that works in machines, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Strong cleaning power. They do a great job on everyday stains and odors. Towels, workout clothes, and regular laundry all come out clean. No measuring or mess. Just toss a pod into the drum and add clothes. No pouring detergent or worrying about using too much. Works well in washers. I've had no issues with dissolving as long as the pod goes in the drum first before adding clothes. Number 1. Tide Pods Free and Gentle Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Pods Free and Gentle. It's designed to be hypoallergenic and free of dyes and perfumes, making it ideal for sensitive skin. This laundry detergent provides a powerful clean without any added fragrances or harsh chemicals. It effectively tackles dirt and grime. Our formula is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, ensuring a gentle yet effective clean. It's free from common irritants. These pods are compatible with all washing machines, including high-efficiency, models. Get a great clean with every load. Enjoy the benefits of a truly clean wash without any added scents or dyes. It's the clear choice for a gentle clean. This large pack contains 96 individual pods, providing excellent value and convenience for your laundry needs. Stock up and save. What we like? Gentle yet effective cleaning for the most delicate skin. This option is free from dyes and perfumes, making it ideal for those with sensitivities. If you or someone in your household has sensitive skin or allergies, this hypoallergenic and unscented detergent provides a worry-free clean. What people say. They're completely free of dyes and perfumes, which is a must for sensitive skin, but they still get my clothes fresh and truly clean. The pods dissolve well, even in cold water, and I've had no issues with residue. These pods are reliable, easy to use, and deliver consistently clean laundry without heavy scents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.